Good morning, guys. Welcome to Water Process and Engineering Services. We are here right now in Catmon and one of our installation. Uh, we are just along the river, where there's the river, and we are here in the most spacious water station we ever made. So this is the station, guys, and we are just 90% done with our installation. 80% done. That's our machine. What they offer here is only mineral water. So that machine is only mineral. Okay. And look at the facility. It's very spacious and comfortable. This is the outside portion. This is the front of the water filling station, and this is the main entrance. So I designed this one for bigger entrance for the purpose of upgrading of storage tank. So that's it. So when you get inside, this is the area where the cashier. This is where the cashier is located, and there's also a door here for the refilling area. So in mineral water, we only have carbon and softener. We combine it multimedia, carbon and softener. So we stop the survey because just currently installing. And this is the exit door, and there where you can find the storage tank. That's that is the pedestal of the storage tank. The platform. The size of that one is 24 by 24 or 20 by 20 uh, concrete post with, look at that, stainless railings, and with the 2,100 liters gravity tank. And that is the deep well. It's the deep well, and that is the pump room, pump area, where you can find the gold pump, one horsepower gold pump. Okay. This is facilities along the river. That's the river over there. So this is the area, guys. So that is the main door, and this is the exit, and this is the comfort room. So this is where the comfort room lies. See? So this is the comfort room area. So by the time that the customers will come in, they just get inside here and pay the cashier. And for the refilling area, only the attendant will be the one to refill. So this is very spacious and comfortable because there's a sliding window here. This is for the sink. You know, the power wash, backwash, waste water, and the three goosenecks. See, this is very comfortable because the width of this one is 90.90 meters. So that's it, an update of work right here on water process and engineering services, installing right here in Catmon, Cebu. Soon to open water filling station. Thanks for watching the video.